Hey guys, Alexeja here, and today we are going to be doing my sister's hair and makeup. I'm here with my little sister Campbell. You can also call her Soup. She's a little shy on camera, I'm sorry, but today we're going to be doing her hair. We're going to be attempting an ombre on her hair because she didn't want highlights, so we're going to ombre it. I got this to lighten up her hair, and then we got this to darken it back out a little bit so that it fades nice. So we are going to get started on that. I'm going to start with her hair. We shouldn't have to cut it or anything. We're just going to use the Colorista Bleach and then the L'Oreal, what color is this? Dark golden blonde. Sorry.
What color is this?
I didn't know what color it was. So let's get started on her hair, and then I'm going to help her do her makeup. So let's get started. Alright, so we got it all on the tips of her hair. I went a little bit higher than we wanted, that way it will blend nice. Now, it says to wait 40 to 60 minutes. I'm just going to kind of watch her hair and see how light it gets, and then rinse it out whenever I think it's ready. But no longer than 60 minutes because it is bleach. So, time to wait, and we will rinse it out, and we'll see how it is. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I only left it in for how long? About 30 minutes, right? Yeah, about 30 minutes instead of the 40 to 60. I didn't want to get it too blonde, but I also didn't want to damage her hair too much. But we're going to add that other stuff because we got like some really blonde pieces, a little bit of red pieces. Yeah, it's a little bit of, yeah, a little mixed. So we're going to add the L'Oreal stuff. Yeah, L'Oreal stuff, and make it more even and blend it together so it will look nice and blended. So let's get started on that. Okay, besides this smelling like ammonia death, the L'Oreal dye only takes 25 minutes. We're gonna wait 25 minutes, and hopefully this went all even. That's what I planned on it doing, but you know, sometimes dye doesn't like to do what it wants to. So we'll wait 25 minutes, rinse this out, dry her hair, and then I'll show you guys the end result. So, time to wait. Okay, so here's the completed hair. I'm going to do her makeup real quick, and then that'll be the completed look. I think the hair turned out quite nice. It blended well with those two different dyes together. I'll leave everything in the description below. But let's get started on her makeup. Okay guys, so here's the completed look. We did her makeup and I did her hair. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And as always, everything I use is in the description below. Sorry, I get a little tongue twisted. And this is Campbell, and I'm Alexia, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!